Happy day, children. Today we are going to see about introduction of multiplication. Suppose you have three different kinds of guitars which you like very much and it's different sound. Now you have 15 guitars together with three different. How will you count? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 15. It is very slow. So we can make it as 3 groups of 5 times. That is 3 guitars at 5 times. It makes 3 times of 5 is equal to 15. Or else 3 groups at 5 times it makes 15. That is 3 groups of guitars 5 times makes 15. It makes the multiplication to do the repeated addition. Now let's go on with multiplications and sounds of guitars. You know how can we understand multiplication? In this example, 3 into 5 is 15. The 5 and 3 are factors. The answer 15 is a product. We can also make it as 3 groups of 5. 5 into 3 is coordinately make that answer 15. Now we can see the pennies with 2 groups of 6 is make the answer 12. Now we can count with real coins. Here I have many coins that we are going to make it as easy multiplication. How we can count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22 and 24. 4 groups of 6 makes 24. 4 multiplies 6 makes 24 or 6 multiply 4 makes 24. In this group, we have 4 times of 6 group or 6 times of 4 groups make the same answer 24. Can we have any other multiplication by 1 and 0? Whatever number multiplied by 1, we get the same number. Whichever number or how much ever number, we get the same number. 50 cross 1 makes 50. 9 cross 1 or 1 multiplied by 9, we get the same number 9. At the same way, whatever number you multiply by 0, you will get the answer only at 0. The same way, even if you multiply 0 multiplies of any number or any number multiplied by 0, it makes 0 only. How we can make the tables is that you should get practice and memorize the table from one table. 1 multiplies from table 2, 9 multiplies 9. The tables that from 1 to 9 make you more perfect in multiplication. How can we do that? It is Keep on practicing and make it daily use. It makes you easy multiplication and easy to handle. You can also use skip counting like 2, 4, 6, 8. Repeated skip counting also makes. The 9 table tricks. Now we need to find 9 table tricks in the head of fingers. Let me try out. We need 2 hands to do that. Let us think on the right hand of 1 to 5 and second hand by 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whatever multiplication you need in 9 table, you can need to bend the factors in your hand and the right side as the tens and left side as ones place. For example, 3 into 9 is equal to, you need to bend on the 3. The right side you have 2 fingers and the left side you have 7 fingers. So you need the answer is 27. The same way 4 multiplication 9. Bend the fourth finger and the right side you have 3 fingers and the left side we have 6 fingers. So answer is 36. It's quite interesting. We can understand the meaning of any other trick. You can help me out. Please. 10 and 10 times table. Just you can add 0 for multiplication of 10. 4 cross 10, 10 makes 40. 65 multiplied 10 have 650. 372 multiplies 10 makes 3720. Just you are going to add 0 to the whatever number you are going to multiply. It's quite interesting. How can we make the same in the whole memorize? We are going to have timetable. In this timetable, we can recognize the answer. 6 multiplied 8 makes 48. 7 multiplied 9 makes 63. Now let's you try. 8